Hey guys, so I know I literally just posted, but I've got my rabbit out. I'm just trying to hide my school badge, because what school I go to, obviously. Come here, little guy. Come on, come show the camera. Here you are. So this is my baby boy, I think it's a boy, because my mom said it's a little boy. So here he is. Hello, camera. Hello. Okay, he's very gentle. And so yeah, don't mind the background noises. Right now I'm not in where I usually live, Canada right now, with my babies. And the dog is not home. Just really likes me.